What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a beginner's course on eyeshadow. So not including the lashes, not including the mascara or the eyeliner, just the eyeshadow. If you'd like to see how I got the eyeshadow for this look, please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, we're going to talk about the different areas on your eye. You're going to need to know the names so that you know where to place the product. This is called your brow bone. Moving on down, this is called your crease. Wherever the skin folds when you open your eye, that's going to be your crease, okay? Moving on a little bit further down, this right here, it's your lid. Then we're going to move to the right. This section here is called your outer V. This is called your inner corner. Close to your eyelashes is called your lash line. Down here, where your bottom eyelashes are, is your bottom lash line. And underneath your eyelashes at the bottom is called your under eye. Now we're going to move on to the tools. So I'm going to show you a picture of all the tools that you're going to need for this look. So in the photo, you see 3 brushes. Let's put this one down because it's a substitution. We're going to talk about these 2 first. This one is very fluffy and loose. See, I can bend it all the way back and it'll slowly come back. It's very fluffy. It fluffs out at the end. We're going to talk about this one. This one is going to be your crease brush. So this one is not as loose. See, I can bend it, but it don't go all the way back and it comes back pretty quick. It also fluffs out and then tapers to a point at the top. Those are going to be the only 2 brushes that you're going to need for this look. However, you will also need a beauty blender. I'm going to use a beauty blender for my concealer, which we'll talk about in a moment. If you don't have a beauty blender, you can use a buffing brush. This one is very dense. See, I can't bend it all the way back. It's very short. Or, if you don't have one of those, you can just use your finger. So now we're going to talk about the products that you need for this look. All you need is an eyeshadow palette and a tube of concealer. So my concealer is Tarte Shape Tape. The brand doesn't matter. You can use any concealer that you have or that you like. My only request is that it's at least 1 shade, if not a couple shades lighter than your natural skin tone. The purpose of the concealer is to have the eyeshadow stick to it. We're going to start with the concealer. You want to put 1 dot on each eye. I'm running out, that's why I had to kind of dab it a couple times. I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so you guys can see. Now we're going to go in with our beauty blender, or your buffing brush, or your finger. I'm going to use the beauty blender. You want your beauty blender to be wet. You can use water to do that. You're going to tap the concealer and move it around. It's going to blend the concealer into your eyelid to create a clean canvas for you to begin your art. Now we're going to go into the eyeshadow palette. I am using Morphe / Jeffree Star Artistry palette. You want to go in with a shade that is close to your natural skin tone. I'm going to go in with Lynn, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to swirl my brush in it. We're going to use the fluffy brush. Now we're going to tap the excess off. Now you want to hold it at the end where you have the least bit of control. And you want to place it right in your brow bone. Bring it into your inner corner. And we're going to dip back into Lynn because we're going to put it on the lid. Just in the front part of your lid, okay? There should be a section between your lid and your brow bone where there is only concealer there. There's no powder there yet. Remember, the concealer helps the shadows stick to your eye. So you want to make sure that there's an area here where it's still sticky because we still have colors to add. Now we're going to go in with the crease brush. We're going to dip into a color that's a couple shades darker. I'm going to go in with Mr. Diva, this shade right here. We're going to swirl our brush around in it. and tap the excess off. Now we're gonna go into our crease. You wanna go a little bit higher than your crease too.
This is gonna be called your transition shade.
Hold the brush at the end where you have the least amount of control and go in windshield wiper motions.
Make sure you are applying very light pressure.
You're going in that area where you don't have any powder at all yet. Whenever you get more towards out here, you want to bring it higher than your crease. Now we're going to go to the edges and we're going to do windshield wiper motions very lightly, like you are coloring your eye with a feather. Very lightly, okay? You can do some little circles. We're blending those two colors together to make a seamless blend. Okay. And I'm gonna go back in and just a little bit more because I want more out here. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with our fluffy brush. We're gonna go between the transition shade and the brow bone shade. And we're gonna do windshield wiper motions here. This just ensures that you have a seamless blend. Windshield wipers and little circles. Windshield wipers, little circles. So now you wanna go in with a darker shade. I'm gonna go in with Boss Angeles. And instead of doing swirly motions, you're just gonna tap it. So it's this shade right here. Instead of swiping it, we're going to tap it here as well. And you want to go into your outer V and do it in the shape of a V. Don't go higher than the transition shade that you just placed down, okay? Because we're going to blend this out and it's going to go. Okay, now you have that placed. You can add some more if you need. Now we're going to start going in with windshield wiper motions very lightly, like you're touching your eye with a feather. And it's going to blend this shade into that transition shade that we used earlier. Go a little bit further into the crease here. See this edge here? You want to do windshield wiper motions here. Try to get rid of that ugly sharp line. The outer V here, on the outside of it, you want to do like this. You want to do windshield wiper motions, dragging the color out but up at an angle, okay? It's going to give you more of a lifted eye look. Now we're going to connect it. Fluffy brush, and you're going to blend all those edges out. Windshield wiper motions, little circles. And it should blend all three colors all together. Now I'm missing a little bit of color here, so I'm going to go back into Mr. Diva with that crease brush, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to add a little bit more there for me. I'm going to go in with that blending brush and just blend that out. There you go. And you're all done. You can top your look with eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, or you could just go out like that. I'll be right back. I'm going to go do some liner, mascara, and lashes, and we'll come back and see the completed look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If you like what you saw, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also make sure you follow me on all my other social media networks. I am Be Beauty Inspired on Instagram, I am Be Beauty Inspired on TikTok, and on Facebook I'm also Be Beauty Inspired with an E after the first B. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys next time.